For many people, health care relies in part on their neighborhood pharmacy. During the pandemic, pharmacists have been on the front lines as much as any other healthcare professionals. And for pharmacists serving some of our most rural communities, the challenge has been great. News Center Maine's Hannah Yeshivi takes us to Van Buren, where they were determined to meet that challenge wherever it took them.
Marco Bolio lives just across the Canadian border in New Brunswick. He crosses the border every weekday and has been doing it for more than 10 years, pandemic or not. Working here as a pharmacist at Hebert's Pharmacy in Van Buren.
All right, Sandra, this is your booster shot.
Marco was too shy to do an interview, but pharmacy owner John Hebert says he's a critical employee.
He had a process there of several months where it was drive to work, drive home, sleep, repeat, and that was it. And he continued to do it.
During the peak of the pandemic, John and Marco, the only two workers in the place. Making patient care a priority, Hebert's Pharmacy was one of the first independent pharmacies in Aroostook County to get COVID-19 vaccines.
But we were very fortunate in the sense that Maine CDC, they were creative. They strayed a little bit from the federal program, which relied heavily on the chain pharmacies.
But they gave Hebert's vaccines and charged them with the responsibility of vaccinating folks at nursing homes, assisted living facilities, and even going door to door. Northern Light Aragold Hospital in Presque Isle also found creative ways to reach rural community members.
We reached out to 5 area middle high school level students and their instructors and the leaders of those organizations and said, we're willing to come out and see you to provide vaccine to those who qualify.
Now hoping even more people roll up their sleeve.
We have seen a little bit of interest in getting that vaccine now that it is fully approved.
Back at Hebert's, more of the employees back at work, filling prescriptions and continuing to vaccinate.
This community, and I think the valley as a whole in Aroostook County, are doing pretty darn good.
Hebert's Pharmacy has vaccinated thousands of community members in Aroostook County. Now John is working on reducing vaccine hesitancy to get even more people vaccinated. In Van Buren, Hannah Yeshivi, News Center Maine.
And Hebert's Pharmacy is offering all 3 COVID vaccines. John Hebert tells us he's vaccinated more than 50 healthcare workers after the vaccine mandate was put in place, and he's been driving to spots around Aroostook County to keep vaccinating healthcare workers before their October 1st deadline.